Okay, number 27 was a griddable one. So it said, a paper airplane was thrown from the top of a building. The height of the paper airplane above the ground can be modeled as this. So it gives us this equation. And then it wants to know, how long did it take the paper airplane to hit the ground? So let me just draw you a little picture. So you're up here and you're on this building down here, okay? And you're up here and you throw this airplane down. How long before this paper airplane hits the ground? There it is. So what do I need to find? I just need to find the x-intercept. When does it hit the ground? How many seconds does it take it to hit the ground? So let's do this. Let's go to our calculator. Let's go to y equals. And let's put in negative 1.5x plus 60. And let's graph it. Alright, here it is. How long does it take it to hit the ground? Oh, did I graph it already and I couldn't see it? Oh yeah, I did. Okay. I can't see it, so I'm going to hit the word trace. And I'm going to start moving this over. Let's see if it... I want to know when the x is 0. I don't like that I can't see it. Oh, sorry, not the x. I want to know. Oh, that's why. Look at that. Okay. So let me zoom in here. Show you what I'm doing. So, okay, so I pushed y equals, and obviously I can't see it. So I could go to the table, and I can see this is the height, right? It's coming down, it's coming down. I want to know how long until it hits 0. I've never seen a little paper airplane fly for that long. So he's flying, he's flying, he's flying, he's getting lower, he's getting lower, he's getting lower right here. How long until he hits, oh, there it is right there. He hits the ground. It takes about 40 seconds for him to hit the ground. So, how can I look at it on my graph? Well, on my graph, let me zoom out, number 3, so that I can see a little bit better. And I can kind of see my little graph up there. Let me zoom out again. Zoom out. Let's see if we can see it. There it is. So if I hit the trace button, there he is. I'm just going to hold my finger over here on this all the way until he gets down here. Boom, he hits the ground. About how long did it take? And I see, ooh, 39.5, but this isn't quite 0. So I can't quite see it. See how I know it's right in the between there? I wonder if I could zoom in right there and see it. Well, here's what I would probably do. If I got there and I looked at that and I'm like, oh, how long does that take? That's where I would say, okay, it's somewhere around 40, and I would go to my table and I would go down to x is 40, and I would see that 0 right there, and then I would know, oh, okay, it's right there at 0. All right, so this is a griddable one, so you would have colored in 40.